So what we are working on here is a 15S21 airbag replacement, and then after this I'm going to do a second video for a 19S01 passenger airbag replacement, and this is a 2013 Ford Mustang GT. Basically there's these little holes in the side right here of the airbag, and they just sit down inside their flush, and the airbag plugs directly into the back of it. You need to depower the system first, and normally you're supposed to disconnect the battery, but I've never had a problem not doing that, so I just do it my own way and take a chance. But on each side of the steering wheel there's plugs, and when you take those plugs out of there you have access to the bolt that holds this in. It's two 8mm bolts. You pop them out, you slide the airbag out, push the little tabs on the connector, take them out of the back, record your PDR number right here on the ticket, take the new one out of the box, record that number on the ticket so we can track the old one out, the new one in, install it the same way you reversed it. That's it. That's it. 2013, 2014, and I think maybe 2012, but I'm not sure. Probably not. So I'm going to list it as that, but I apologize if it's not. It's been a while since I've done one of these Mustang airbag replacement.